Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork with bamboo shoot pickle. This traditional dish is surprisingly simple to prepare, bringing a taste of authentic flavors right to your kitchen. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including 500 grams of succulent pork belly and half a cup of flavorful dried bamboo shoots. You'll also need about 15 dried red chilies and 12 cloves of garlic to create that perfect balance of spice and aroma. Let's get cooking. Proper preparation is key to a fantastic dish. First, soak your 15 dried red chilies in hot water for about 6 to 10 minutes, then coarsely grind them. Next, hydrate your half cup of dried bamboo shoots by soaking them in room temperature water for 3 to 5 minutes. Don't forget to coarsely grind your 12 garlic cloves. Finally, cut your 500 grams of pork belly into uniform cubes, ready for cooking. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Place your pork belly cubes in a deep pot and cook them on a low flame, stirring occasionally until the fat begins to render. Then, incorporate the soaked bamboo shoots, crushed garlic, and ground red chilies. Mix everything thoroughly, add 1 to 2 cups of water, and season with salt. Let it simmer on a medium to low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring the pork is tender and the water has fully evaporated. Your flavorful pork with bamboo shoot pickle is now ready to enjoy. This dish is best served hot, alongside a generous portion of steamed rice. For a balanced meal, consider adding some simple boiled vegetables on the side. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of chilies and salt to match your preferred spice and flavor intensity. Store any remaining pickle in an airtight container in the refrigerator to savor later. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.